Good morning, students. I am Rajiv Ranjan Upadhyay, Senior SST Teacher of Funvin Convent School. Student, today I am going to teach you the next part of Class Ninth Economics Lesson 1, Village Palampur, the story of Village Palampur. Yesterday, I have described you about the main features of the village Palampur, that how village is connected with the all weather, the road, electricity, and what facility, other facilities available like hospital, primary schools and high schools and other different facilities is available into village Palampur. Now, students, here we will see that in every village, I have cleared that village Palampur is a hypothetical village. It is not the actual village. It is a hypothetical village, and in any village, the main activity of the villagers are the farming. But village Palampur is a big village, and this village had some small manufacturing units is working. In this situation, now we are going to study about the organization of production. The main organization of production, the aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. If we want, after that we should require some production, then the production activities has been done. There are four requirements for the production of anything. They are: number one, the first requirement is the land. For the any type of the production, the land is required. If land is not available, then we will not set up the factories, the manufacturing unit, and some other essential thing also available with the land like water, forest, minerals. These are the basic requirement. After that, the second requirement is the labor. Labor, it means that the people who will do work. There are different type of the workers. Some are educated, some are skilled workers, they are known as the skilled workers, and some people are unskilled workers. They are doing mainly activity like the process of the farming and the different type of the manufacturing units. They are known as the labors. Some production activities require highly educated workers, and some are required the activities like the manual work. Next the important thing is the third requirement is the physical capital. The physical capital, it means that there are different variety of input required in every stage during the production. And what is the physical capital? In this category, there are three main things. Number one, tools, machines, and machinery. These are the three important things into the physical capital. Tools, it means that without the tools, we did not produce any type of the goods. After that, machines is necessary, and after that, building is necessary. These thrice are combinedly known as the physical capital, and they are also some tools and some machines and some other things are not used every year. Once we purchased, they used time to time and the more years. Like in the farming, we should different type of the requirement like the tractor, harvester, thresher. Once purchased, it is useless into the another year. Next year, no. It is used year by year. So such type of the things is known as the fixed capital, like buildings, machines, tools. They are known as the fixed capital. Number two, the raw material and money in hand, which is needed every year. Suppose that you are doing the farming activity, then you need different type of the seeds, fertilizers, manure, pesticides. These all are purchased every year. In this condition, this is known as the raw material. It means that the money which is in your hand for the production activity, they are known as the working capital. Understand, student, I have described you about the two main features. The main features of the production activity. Number one was the land, number two was the labor, and number three was the physical capital. In the physical capital, there are two variety. One is known as the fixed capital, and another is known as the working capital. The fourth requirement for the production, which is the very very important thing, that is known as the human capital. Without human capital, if the land is available, if the raw material is available, if the working and fixed capital is available, but if the human capital is not available, the production activity did not complete their production units and the production items, because of human is the necessary thing for the production. Who is drive the different type of, who is operated the different type of the machine. Without human activity, who is doing the manual work? So the human capital is the most important factor. In this lesson, mostly we are studying about the three factor: the land, the labor, and the physical capital. For in the next classes or in the next lessons, you will read about the human capital. Human capital is a necessary thing which is used into the different type of the activity, production activity. Students, here we have seen that every production is organized by the combining land, labor, physical capital, and human capital, which is known as the factors of production. These all things are known as the factors of production, and we describe it into the next videos. I will describe you into the next videos about these separately, one by one: land, physical capital, working capital, labors. These all are described into the next videos. Once again, I request to you that read carefully this lesson into the home and stay home and be safe. Thank you.